Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting a custom song on your Samsung Galaxy phone for your ringtone. So first thing you have to do is make sure you upload your MP3 file to your Google Drive account. And then once you've done that, you want to swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And now you want to go underneath where it says sound and vibration. So go ahead and select that. And then scroll down underneath phone ringtone. And then you want to select where it says my sounds. Go ahead and click inside of here. And then you'll have to select the little plus icon at the bottom of this page. And then at this point, you will need to sign into your Google Drive account if you haven't already, and it should list out recent files. Select the MP3 file from the list, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.